Good morning, students. My name is Kavanja Edward, the teacher of physics math. I gave a question the question is to demonstrate practically the existence of atmospheric pressure. And I told you to record a video of this and send it to me. Deadline was Wednesday, which was yesterday, at 4 p.m. Some of you got lost, but I want to demonstrate. For me, I won't demonstrate that one because that one was a test. But I want to give you an example. They always ask you about pressure. It has many questions. The one I'm going to demonstrate, which is an example of today, is about pressure increasing with depth. Are we together? So, you can use a can, but for me, I'm going to use a polythene that you can see here. I'm going to pour water here. Are we together? And I'll put 3 holes. Are we together? This is what you should know about this when you're demonstrating pressure increasing with depth. First, what you should do is pour water in this can as I'm going to do. Yeah, now, water has been poured here. This is how you can see this polythene. Now, this is what you should do. The holes you're going to put on this polythene or on the can, some can use the mineral water can use anything else. The holes you're going to put on this can must be of the same size, are we together? And must be on the same vertical line, as you can see this. So we want to look at this and see how does pressure increase with the depth. Are we together? Now, whatever I'm just describing, this is how you can do things. I want you to understand the physics and do things practically the way you understand them. And the explanations I'm giving, you can exactly explain them the way you see them in the book. But again, don't tell me that now you say water is poured in a can. Are we together? 3 holes, ABC. You at most put 3 holes, ABC, of the same size are put on the can on the same vertical line. You put them vertical. Are we together? So I'm going to use a compass to put 3 holes. Are we together? Then I'll explain about the observations, but look clearly. I'll put one here. I'll put another one here. I'll put another one here. Same vertical line. You can see this. Are you seeing? That is now pressure increasing with depth. Are we together? When you look at, let me call this one hole A, hole B, then hole C. Are we together? When you look at hole A, are we together? Water travels farthest distance. Are we together? Then followed by hole B, then followed by hole C. Is that okay? Is that okay? Now, this is what you should know about this. This is what you should know about this. You've already seen this. That what happens? This is hole A, hole B, and then hole C. Is that okay? What am I explaining about this? That pressure at A, which is the hole, the first hole, is highest. Is that okay? Then pressure at B is just moderate. Then pressure at C is low. Are we together? So that is how you can simply explain that pressure increases with depth. Now for you, what I want you to do for me, if you fail that one, I also demonstrate it. But I want you to do things on your own. So if you fail, I will demonstrate, and it will be me understanding. Yet I want you to understand this and do this in your books, and you won't forget this. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. We can have these lessons. We are soon going for test 8, but test 8 is going to be different. Pay attention. I'm saying test 8 is going to be different. We shall all be online. Do it there and submitting. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.